Hi children, how are you? All are fine? Welcome to today's English class. Last class we learned how to prepare your family description. How many members are there in your family? Who are they? And you prepare your family tree, isn't it? Yes, today we are going to hear a story of Raja. Today we are going to understand about Raja's family. Look here, look at this picture. This is Raja's family. Okay? Can you guess who the members of his family are? Who does Raja like the best in his family? We can find out the answers of all these questions from this story. Very interesting story. Raja's story. The name of the story is Life with Grandfather, written by Keshavan Shankaran Pillai. Let's start the story. Are you ready? Take textbook. Page number 11. My home. Everybody called me Raja. It is not my real name, but I like being called Raja. I lived with my grandfather and grandmother. They were my guardians. My mother died when I was young. My father left me with my grandparents who brought me up. Raja was not his real name. All of you may have two names in home, one name in school, another name, Appu, Mikku, like that. Raja was not the real name, but people called him Raja. He liked that. And who were his guardians? Guardians means Rakshidakal. Who were his guardians? Grandfather and grandmother. What happened to his father and mother? What happened to his mother? His mother died. Raja's mother died when he was young. Then what happened to father? Father left him. And now he is with his grandfather and grandmother. They brought him up. We lived in a large house, but we were a small family. There were grandfather, grandmother, uncle and I. We had many relatives, but they lived in their own houses. Who are the members in Raja's family? Yes, grandfather, grandmother, uncle and Raja. Grandfather was tall, strong man. He always spoke in a loud voice. He knew everyone in the village. People respected him. They came to him for advice and help. How was Raja's grandfather? He was a strong man. Allah, strong man. He always spoke in loud voice. He knew everyone in the village. People respected him. Village grandfather respected him. They came to him for advice and help. Advice means ഉപദേശം കിട്ടാനും സഹായത്തിനൊക്കെ രാജയുടെ അപ്പൂപ്പനെടുത്ത്. Grandmother was kind and gentle. She took good care of me. She would follow me like a shadow, saying, "Bring this milk," or "Eat your food," or "Have your bath," "Go to bed." I did not like this, but still I loved her very much. Our grandmother, she was very kind. She took good care of Raja. She always followed Raja like a shadow. Shadow means my uncle was young and very clever. He helped grandfather in looking after his fields and gardens. People like him, and I too like him very much. Whenever I was in trouble, uncle would come to my help. Next, uncle എങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു? He was a clever man, നല്ല ബുദ്ധിശാലിയായിരുന്നു. And he always helped his grandfather in the fields. കാര്യങ്ങൾ കൃഷിയുടെ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ നോക്കാനായിട്ട് അപ്പൂപ്പനെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യാമായിരുന്നു. Then Raja also liked him very much. രാജയ്ക്ക് അങ്കിളിനെ ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമായിരുന്നു. രാജയ്ക്ക് എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും ട്രബിൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടാകുമായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ആര് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്തു? അങ്കിള് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു. Next page. At home, I did not have any friend to play with. Grandfather did not like my going out to play with other children. He believed that I would be spoiled if I did so. Other children did not like to come to our house because they were afraid of grandfather. Did not have any friend to play with. What is the reason? Grandfather did not like my going out to play with other children. What was the reason? He believed that I would be spoiled if I did so. Spoiled means Raja spoiled bad so other children were not ready to come to the Raja's house. What is the reason? They were afraid of Raja's grandfather. Yet life with grandfather was not done. I liked my home and the very large garden all around it. There were many trees in the garden, coconut trees, mango trees, and other kinds of trees. There were birds, butterflies, and honeybees. There were many tanks with plenty of fish in them. Kingfishers, storks, and other water birds came to the tanks to catch the fish. But life with grandfather was not boring. Dull means boring. Boring alive. Grandfather. What was the reason? There was a garden in their home. There were many trees, coconut trees, mango trees. Then different types of birds, butterflies, honeybees, and there was a tank. Inside the tank there was plenty of fish in them. Plenty means many. Then kingfishers, storks, and other water birds came to the tanks to catch the fish. So his life with the grandfather was not boring. In a corner of the compound was a grove where trees, shrubs, and clippers grew wild. Jackals, mongooses, wild cats, and owls lived in the grove. We had many cows, bulls, and bullocks. Little cows played and ran about in your garden. In the corner of the compound there was a grove. Grove means group of trees. Different trees were there. There were many types of animals were there. Jackals, mongooses, wild cats, then we had many cows. Bulls and bullocks. Then little cows. Cows means calf in a plural. Cows. Calf means cows means pashukutigal. Calf singular, cows plural. Played and ran about in your garden. I like to play with the cows and I like to watch the birds in the garden. I looked for jackals coming out of the grove. I ran after mongooses and I caught butterflies and reptiles. Garden, friends, making a shower. It was an evening after a heavy rain. Grandfather was picking flowers from the jasmine bush under the sandalwood tree. The leaves of the tree were full of raindrops. I knew I could make rain if I shook the tree, and grandfather and I would get a good shower. I liked bathing in the rain, but he might not like it. But I would be great fun. Grandfather was picking flowers from the jasmine bush under the sandalwood tree. Sandalwood tree muഴുവൻ raindrops കാരണം ആ വൈകുന്നേരത്തെ ആ ഈവനിംഗ് നല്ല മഴയും രാത്രി പോയി ആ sandalwood tree ഒന്ന് വിളിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഷവർ ഉണ്ടാവില്ലേ, മഴ പെയ്തുകൊണ്ടു അങ്ങനെ മഴ നല്ലൊരു രസമായിട്ട് രാജയ്ക്ക് തോന്നി. ബട്ട് വാട്ട് അബൌട്ട് ദി ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫാദറിന് ഇഷ്ടമോ? ഒരു പക്ഷേ ഇഷ്ടമായില്ല. So I quickly went near the sandal tree and shook it with all my strength. There was a heavy shower and both grandfather and I was soaked. I loved it, but grandfather did not. He turned to me with an angry look. I was sure he would catch me and beat me. So I ran. He ran after me. I ran fast, but he ran faster. He had almost caught me when he stumbled and fell. I ran away to the paddy fields and hid myself there. I heard grandfather shout that he would teach me a lesson when I came back home. So I quietly went near the sandal tree. He shook it. Shook means shake it. Past tense. Then what happened? Heavy shower and both grandfather and I were soaked. Soaked means when Raja liked it, but what about grandfather? Grandfather did not like it. So he turned to the Raja and he became armed. Raja നോക്കി ഗ്രാൻഡ്ഫാദർ കൂടി അങ്ങനെ ഓടി ഗ്രാൻഡ്ഫാദർ രാജയെ ഇങ്ങനെ പിടിക്കാനായിട്ട് എത്തിയപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് ഗ്രാൻഡ്ഫാദറിന്റെ കാലിൽ സ്റ്റംബിൾഡ് മീൻസ് തട്ടിയെന്ന് വീണു. ഓക്കെ, അങ്ങനെ രാജയെ റാൻ ടു ദി പാഡി ഫീൽഡ്സ് ആൻഡ് ഹിഡ് മൈസെൽഫ് ദേർ. ഇവിടെ വയലിൽ പോയിട്ട് ഹൈഡിന്റെ പാസ്സായിട്ട് അവിടെ പോയി ഒളിച്ചിരുന്നു. ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് ഗ്രാൻഡ്ഫാദർ ഷൗട്ടഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു, I would teach a lesson when I come back home. He teach me to do what? I did not want to go home because I feared grandfather would beat me. I stayed on the fields. It was getting dark. I was afraid to stay there alone in the darkness. I remembered all the ghost stories I had heard. I stood up, looked around, and then ran towards home. Raja was not ready to go back to home. What was the reason? He was afraid of grandfather. But what happened? Pettanna darkai maana nerekki. Then he remembered all the ghost stories he had heard. Avan nerekki kettulla prayada kathakalellam orma aa prayada kathakalekku orma vannu pinne avade irikkan thonnilla. He stood up and looked around and then ran towards home. Enekku veettilekku odi. I was still afraid to face grandfather, so I did not go inside the house. I went to the cowshed and took shelter in the loft. From there I could see grandfather sitting on the veranda saying his prayers, but he was not ready to enter the house. Grandfather he went to the cowshed and took shelter in the loft. You can see in the picture. Cowshed in the kaal thedutile keri idinte mugalil ingane keri irunnu. Appode grandfather veranda irunnu grandmother was waiting for me. When I did not turn up, she looked for me everywhere in the house. Then she came and called aloud for me, thinking that I was somewhere in the garden. She did not get any answer. Then she went to grandfather and asked him where I was. You looked for him in the house? Grandfather said, he is hiding somewhere else. He is not in the house. Grandmother said, I looked for him everywhere. Grandmother was waiting for grandmother. Grandmother, because you already learned, grandmother liked Raja very much, so he was waiting for him. Come back here. Raja did not answer. Then he went to grandfather and asked, where is Raja? Then he said, you look for him in the house. Then grandmother searched all the parts of the house, but grandmother could not find out the Raja. I looked Raja everywhere. Grandmother then what happened to Raja? The next part of the story will be learning in the next class. Okay? Do you like the story? Read the story very well. Then prepare question answers, model questions and its answers. Write. Find out new words and find out its meaning. Then I am going to give you an activity. page number 19 of textbook, activity 1. What is the activity? Concept map on Raja's family, and this homestead is given here. Raja's family's concept of his Raja. What is the behavior of Raja? Grandmother, uncle, grandfather. Raja is naughty. Grandmother is loving and caring. Uncle is friendly. Grandfather is tall and strong. Then Raja's home. Raja's surroundings. Okay, many tanks, trees, gardens, cowshed birds, and like that. You have to prepare concept map of your family. So here space is given. Complete this concept map. Myself, how are you? How is your behavior? Not be friendly like that. How is your father? Then mother, grandfather, grandmother. Then your home. What all things you can see in your surroundings? Garden is there. Then animals are there. Many tanks are there. Then you have to make a short description about your family. It's an easy activity. First you study, understand Raja's family's concept map. Then you can complete your family's concept map, then you can prepare short description about your family. Okay, do all these things and share with your English teacher. Okay.